Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to screen record on Android in 2025. Now these days most of the Android phones comes with the built-in screen recorder. So if you have it, it is well and good. But if you don't have it, make sure that you stick around till the end of this video because I'm gonna be giving you the best screen recorder for your mobile device. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, in order to check whether the built-in screen recorder is available in your device or not, you can just simply swipe down the notification bar of yours here in the top. Then you can tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner and tap on the option of Edit Tiles. So once you tap on the option of Edit Tiles, you are going to see all of the options and all of the features that are available on your Android phone. So over here you can just keep on looking for the screen recording icon, which in my case is this one. As you can see over here, this is what I'm currently using in order to record this video, right? So here my built-in screen recorder is available, so you can also find it over here. If you are able to find it, you can just simply tap on your screen recorder and start recording your phone. You can also make some of the settings default, like the recording resolution, the frame rates, etc. So you can tap on the screen recorder, go to its settings and make some changes into the settings of your device. Now, for any reason, if you are not able to find this option over here, you can come here in the settings of your Android device. Then you can use the search bar and search for the option of recorder. Now if you have the screen recorder available, it is going to show you in the list, so you can tap on it and you can start recording with that particular recorder. Now if you don't have a built-in recorder, no worries, because you can download the one from Google Play Store anytime. So you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, if you search for screen recorder, you will find bunch of different screen recorders. So you can select the one that has over 100 millions of downloads, which is this screen recorder by X Recorder. So you can see it has 100 million downloads. It means that a lot of people are actually using it. So you can install this application and start using it for recording your phone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.